Home improvement is one of the key factors most real estate experts consider when selling houses. It is an inevitable aspect which can increase the resale value of a home significantly, especially with the improvement of the exterior parts of the homestead. However, many people do not know how to enhance the value of their homes. That is why we came up with tips on how to increase property value by enhancing its exterior appeal. 1. Work on the front door. The front door is the focal point of a home's visual appeal. A buyer can tell the quality of the house by looking at the front yard. You need to dress up your front door to make it visually appealing. Get rid of the rusty stuff at the sides of the doorstep and use a polish to clean the door fixtures. Make sure the flowers adjacent to the front door are neat and fresh. Use beautiful colors to add more life to the front yard. For instance, you can paint the door with a blast of red colors supplemented by a white color at the background to ensure the driveway is neat. Adding a driveway to your property is one of the home improvement investments you will never regret. Most buyers prefer a driveway since they want a connection that allows them to drive from the house to the main road without affecting the surrounding landscape in the homestead. If your home already has a driveway, ensure it is neat. Work on asphalt coating. You can do a colored asphalt to add an extra touch on the lawns. Make it visually appealing with fresh flowers along its edges. Ensure there is a symmetrical composition of flowers at both edges to make more pleasing to the eyes. 3. Invest in outdoor lighting. Add some outdoor lighting in your homestead to increase value. Most buyers prefer a secure environment where they can do what they love despite the time of the day. Lighting not only makes them feel secure, but it also scares away burglars. You can buy cheap low-voltage lighting, or you can go with some accent lighting on the trees and the walking path. Add a solar panel to make lighting more energy efficient. 4. Create a garden. You should have an instant garden adjacent to the house. A container garden is a viable option because it will save you from constant weed invasion. Add beautiful flowers to make the garden more colorful. Ensure you symmetrically arrange the contents of the garden to create a vibrant setting. Garden containers are available in most flower stores in your community. You can also make a container on your own. Let's get some more ideas here. 5. Consider arbors. A combination of arbors and fence panels is the key to increasing the home's resale value. The fence panels can have additional pillars with arbors on them. Ensure the fence panels have decorations on them to enhance visual appeal. If you want great results, do some painting on the fences. 6. Wash the sides. Do some cleaning on the sidings of your house, especially if there are tall trees in the compound. You may need a ladder to access the roof and other elevated sections. Get rid of the dirt and the dead leaves from the roof. Clean up the walls with a tough brush and a suitable detergent. Work from the bottom to the top and leave no stones unturned. Also, renew the painting and trim the side flowers for additional curb appeal. The tips discussed above are the best home improvement investments you can ever think for. You don't have to hire a professional to have a successful exterior house renovation, as you can do it yourself. If you do it properly, your home's resale value will increase significantly.